Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra. Thank you. The second beautiful thing I want to talk about is one of most hardworking and dedicated team, that is Conceptual Gynae Ops. When you have Dr. Rana ma'am, supported by greats like Dr. J.B. Sharma, when you have Dr. Aarti Chitkara, who was actually the one who implanted the seed in my brain of getting Conceptual Gynae Ops made. And Dr. Rana ma'am just turned all the pages to see nothing is left to make it a rage among the gynae residents. When you look at OBG residents, they are very, very blessed to have all the teachers with a lot of passion there. When you look at Dr. Aditya, he's seeing that you stay glued to the screen or to the notes. Then you have Dr. Tejas, who is somebody who's doing the backbone work for Conceptual Gynae Ops. And then you have got the phenomenal teachers who have been taking lectures throughout. But yes, any lecture, any notes. We are medical students. We want something in the hard copy. So what I want to announce here is we have started delivering the Conceptual Gynae Ops lecture companions. The 2 books for gynae and 2 books obstetrics are right here. So if you look at these beautiful books, I'm actually holding the books in my hand. This is a book of volume 1 of lecture companion of gynae, and this is volume 2 lecture companion of gynae. So you are going to get these books. These are 2 gynae lecture companions along with whatever books you are getting in Conceptual Gynae Ops, and this is volume 1 and volume 2 of obstetric lecture companions. So these are beautifully authored, and the foreword is nothing but given by the best man, that is Dr. J.B. Sharma sir, Professor Dr. J.B. Sharma sir. We are really thankful for building up so wonderful team of COBG, and this is something which is wonderfully enriching. And going on the taglines again of eConceptual, the learning never ends. And now,